Create professional photos and social media content without a camera or photo shoot. That's the promise behind Foxy AI. But is it actually a powerful creator tool or just another AI content generator? So Foxy AI is an AI tool that lets users upload photos of themselves and then generate new images and content that look like professional photo shoots. The AI learns your appearance and can create different outfits, locations, and styles automatically. It's mainly used by content creators, influencers, and social media marketers who need a constant flow of posts. There are a few reasons it's gaining attention. It can generate studio style images without hiring photographers. Some users say it helps them post more consistently on Instagram or TikTok, and reviews mention the images can look surprisingly realistic when the prompts are done correctly. In creator communities, tools like this are being used to scale content production quickly, but there are also limitations. Some users say the ads exaggerate the quality or features. AI images can still produce errors like distorted hands or unrealistic details, and other complaints about subscription pricing or billing issues after signing up. And like many AI tools, results depend heavily on the photos and prompts you provide. So is Foxy AI just another content generator? Not exactly. It's a specialized AI tool for creating influencer style photos and social content. The bottom line, Foxy AI is a legit AI creator tool, but marketing can make it seem more powerful than it actually is. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.